Hello guys, welcome to my channel Mac Forex. So thank you very much for watching my all previous videos. So today I have bring one more very best indicator for you, and I hope you will learn something with this indicator. So this indicator name is Easy Scalping System. So first of all I will show you one look. Easy scalping system, and this indicator best works with the time frame. A different time frame you can attach this indicator, but best time frame is M5, M15, M30 time minutes. So you can see here basically this I wrote in PDF file. When anybody contact with me at my WhatsApp number, you can take this indicator, and I will give you this PDF file also, because in this PDF file there is mention everything how you can utilize this indicator for best results in forex trading system. So you can see here accuracy 90% with this indicator, and here is the procedure how to use the for sell entry. First white star made on the top. I will show you the link. I will show you the uh, view of this indicator. I have attached this indicator with MetaTrader 4 platform, and already market is running, you can see here. So now first white star made on the top. Basically in PDF file I am talking about this star, you can see here, but when this star you will see at the chart, so it is not confirmation of the sell entry, but when you see the arrow, and here also when you see this red line crossing, then it's mean it's the sell entry point. So you can you can see the previous history also. I will show you the history. You can see here when the star show at the top of the chart, and after 2 or 3 candles when arrow is shown, it's mean market will go down. So it's very easy to it's very easy for the beginners. If you are a beginner in the forex trading market, it's very easy for you. You can trade to follow this best indicator, because this indicator results are very good, and in detail you can see here. For buy entry, first white star made on the bottom, after check same time both indicator crossed on the bottom. So this means talking about these two lanes. Here is the buy entry and here is the sell entry, you can see here, and cross check with two dynamic index pro, you can check cross check. So it's very easy to use. If you are a new and a beginner, no need to study more in forex trading or make a different kind of technical or fundamental analysis. It's very easy. You just attach this indicator with the MetaTrader 4 platform, any chart. You can trade with the different kind of currencies also. There is no any limit like a 1 or 2 currency pairs. There is a many currency pairs you can attach this indicator and can trade very easily. So now complete detail is all indicator red position then sell immediately, and all indicator green position then buy immediately. I hope you understand when you see this chart. If white star makes after indicator gives red green signal, this is good scalping entry. So basically this indicator is designed for the scalping, like uh, you can see here in 30 minutes time frame you can trade. You can get very good results if you will trade in 30 minutes or 15 minutes time frame, because you can see the history when this star occurred in the above of the candles, and after cross this lane and this one, there is a confirmed sell entry, and you can scalping, you can enter here and you can set the take profit here also. You can set the take profit. You can set the take profit. You can wait the new star when occurred, then you can close the your trade which you have entered already. So all detail in PDF file already I have mentioned, and there is the also I have set already arrows. There is a sell entry, and here you can cross check sell entry, and here also three confirmations. After three confirmations you can make the sell order. And after for buy entries, you can see here for buy entries, here also cross the green lane, and here also green lane is the above, and here also lane is crossing. So it's very easy to use. I have got it almost 95% winning ratios with this indicator using. And one more thing, you can use this indicator in binary option also. In binary trading you can also use, because in binary trading you just open trade 1 minute or 2 minutes or 5 minutes. So you can utilize this indicator and can get good results in binary. Because if you want trade in binary, you select M5 uh, M5 5 minutes time frame, and you can sell here. And in binary option, if you set the time 5 minutes, you definitely you will close your trade in profit. M1 also in 1 minute time frame also you can make the trade. For example, if you are doing the binary options, so you can check here. You just need to wait the cross these lines. When this lane cross, red line cross to the green lane, then you can set the sell entry for 1 minute. And now you need to wait for the next entry, because at this moment you cannot make any kind of entry. So you need to wait when again there is any crossing between the two lanes. Now market is open, and you can see here, I think the green lane will cross this, and now you can see here, now you can make the buy entry from here in binary option. And 90 to 95% is confirmation the market will your trade you can close in profit. 100% anybody is not sure about the trading system, because indicator just give you the prediction, but not give you 100% results. For example, if anybody said the indicator, if you attach any indicator in MetaTrader platform, and you will here also you can see this indicator automatically give the sound alert also. And here you can see hidden bullish divergence. It's mean when this in cross this lane, and here you can see below arrow also you can see here, then you can make the buy entry in binary option. Very good to use in binary system also. So thank you very much for watching my all previous videos. For further videos I will try my best. I will bring for you the best indicator, and I hope you have learned something about this video. Thank you very much. And if you want this indicator, you can contact with me. My WhatsApp number I already given, my WhatsApp number detail all in description. Thank you very much.